Hello everybody, Ralph back with a really quick video today. This video I want to talk about the Home Business Academy compensation plan, and I want to do it in under 3 minutes, so let's just dive right on in. The Home Business Academy comp plan is extremely simple. We pay 80% recurring commissions for every qualified sale, and the qualifier is you have to own the level that you sell before you earn commissions from those sales. Now we have 3 levels that you can earn at. The first is a $10 a month Let's Goal level. The Let's Goal program, it's an app that fits on your smartphone, helps you to set goals, helps you to attain goals, comes with a virtual vision board, virtual journal, a whole lot more, costs $10 a month to own it, pays $8 recurring commissions for every sale. So you make 2 sales, you are already in profit. The second level is the Funnel Builders level. You get our funnel building tool, which is extremely dynamic, extremely useful for making sales funnels, and a whole lot more. It is jam-packed with training, costs $25 a month, pays $20 recurring commissions. So again, make 2 sales at the funnel builder level. That level is free to you, and you are already in profit. And then the third level is the premium traffic and conversions level. This gives you 5 mastermind trainings you can participate in every week. And these guys are excellent trainers. They share what they've learned from their years of experience, and the presenters are usually 7-figure earners themselves. I think we may have a 6-figure earner in there somewhere, but you get all that training. It costs $125 a month to own that level. It pays $100 recurring commissions for every sale that you make. So again, you make 2 sales. Not only is that level free to you, you are also already in profit. So if you're wanting to build a profitable business and do it quickly, the Home Business Academy will give you the training, will give you the mentorship, will provide you with a lot of the tools that you need to succeed, and with the 80% recurring commissions, it's going to help get you into profit a heck of a lot faster than a lot of the other opportunities out there. Okay, this is Ralph signing out. Thanks for dropping by. Catch you in future updates. Take care.